Hi everyone, Mayor Dave Mayer here, and I hope you're ready because things are about to heat up in Gloucester Township. Join us Saturday, September 19th from 12 to 6 for our Grill Master Competition and Car Show, a full day of food, music, and fun. Top teams will battle it out for the best chicken, best ribs, and grand champion, while you enjoy food and shopping vendors, a beer garden, live music, and an incredible car show. Bring your appetite, bring your friends, and come find out who really knows how to meet expectations.